Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Turn off the power to the stove at the breaker, controlling the 240V supply. Confirm the power is off with a non-contact voltage tester on all terminal screws. Unplug the range if the unit has a plug and leave it disconnected. Allow the stove to cool fully and remove oven racks or drawers that block access to the rear terminal area. Wear insulated gloves and safety glasses to protect your hands and eyes during the process. Slide out the lower access panel and remove it using two 1/4-inch screws. Locate the stove terminal block and visually inspect for burns, cracks, or melted plastic at connection points. Use a smartphone to take a clear photo showing the exact wire positions and colors for correct reassembly later. Loosen the terminal screws with a screwdriver and gently pull each wire free, keeping the wire ends visible and separated to avoid confusion or accidental contact. Position the new terminal block in place and reconnect wires according to your reference photo. Tighten the terminal screws firmly so each conductor is secure and shows no exposed copper beyond the terminal clamp. Reinstall the access panel with the two 1/4-inch screws and slide oven racks back into place. Restore power at the breaker and test each burner, element, and the oven to confirm proper operation. If you observe sparking, smoking, or uneven heating, shut power off and call a qualified technician immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.